Bubba built it.
Hey, all right, today we are going to be taking the BMW touring wagon that you saw last week, and we are going to be giving it a bath. And as you can see, she really needs it. First of all though, got to air up that tire. That's no good. One problem that we've got, we have somehow misplaced our key, and so we're going to have to use this ridiculous plastic key. This one works as far as turning the ignition, but it has actually cranked it up. And we're thinking that the RFID chip, or whatever you want to call that thing, inside there is the problem. So I'm going to try to mess around with this and see if I can get this key to work, because we are terrified that we're going to break this one off inside the ignition, and nobody wants a piece of plastic stuck in their ignition. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next little bit, see if I can mess around with that and get it working. Okay, so we're taking the real metal key apart to see what we got inside there, and yep, look at that. There's a chip. Those wacky Germans.
All right, so what if we take this chip out?
Okay, I'm liking where you're going with this.
In case it's sending the wrong signal, right?
Right. So you guys see where we're going with this, right? We're going to take that chip out, and then we're going to hold this key up against it as we try to crank it. Let's try that here.
Yeah, we got flat. Thank you. Helpful citizen there.
Hey! All right.
Oh,
Look at the big brain on Michael. All right, good job. That's awesome. Now we're not terrified. Here, give me those pieces parts. We'll keep them all together.
You know, we could take the plastic key apart and
probably put that chip in. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah.
No, that's
cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah,
all right. Awesome. Okay, here, I'll go ahead and give you the plastic one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sweet. I'm going to back up to the door.
We're still going to need the plastic one, right?
Yeah. You were talking about taking that one.
Yeah. So you used it just then, didn't you?
Yeah. I mean, that's the only way I did it. Yeah, I had to use that.
I didn't see what you did.
Yeah, I had to hold it just like I've been.
Yeah. So it'll be a Christmas miracle
if the air works. Yeah, it will be.
So far.
But wait, you've got it on heat.
I know, we've got it on blower right now.
Ooh, I think I heard something kick.
Well, you wouldn't, you shouldn't. Right now, I just wanted to make sure that
the blower actually is working.
Here we go.
Okay. Oh, we got a compressor kicking on, trying to give it a little bit of gas. It's idled down. I don't want to be talking out of school, but that feels a little bit cooler. That's feeling even cooler now.
Dude, the air is cool. Yes.
It's cooling.
The air is cool.
All right. Woohoo. That's awesome. That's crazy, man. I would have thought for sure that we'd have to charge at least.
That is crazy.
Very awesome. All right, well, let's get some air in that tire. I was about to say, she is taking air. Okay.
I went ahead and turned the air off because, again, it's obviously, it's not idling quite where it needs to.
Right. No. Yeah, that's all good. The fact that she works is awesome.
We can drive this thing now.
Yep.
Do we want to drive it?
Do we want to drive it? Okay.
I don't know.
All right. So here's the thing. Probably, and then also, let's just take a look. See.
What?
Oh, we did keep putting the sticker on up to 18, and then we stopped.
Well, it would have been in 17. It would have been put on in 17. It's an 18 sticker. That makes sense of what we said.
Yep.
That was the last time we drove.
Yeah. Okay.
It didn't make it to 18 because we.
That's right.
Because after
right.
Woodward would have been August of 17, and then we didn't drive it for a couple weeks after that.
Yeah.
A month at the most.
A month at the most.
A month at the most.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put the air hose up, and I'll, I guess, grab the.
Pull it around.
Yeah.
Where the water is.
Yeah. Yep. I'll see you over there.
All right. Oh man, 7 years of grind. Look at this.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay, so it's 2015 that this was Plan B, right?
Yes.
All right. The way that started out, took the Monty,
Yep. And the
number 2 Monte Carlo.
The M22 transmission rock crusher.
You lost first and fourth.
Yeah, first and fourth. Or maybe it was second and third. No, it was first and okay.
You on the way home,
One of
you
the
were
linkages,
screaming, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's right. So one of the linkages totally screwed up on it, and then we were like, awesome, all we got to do is fix the linkage. Well, we also discovered at that point that 2 of the ears were one or 2 of the ears were cracked, which from what I understand on Muncies are kind of a thing. But anyway, so that was grounded because we were mid-tour.
Yep.
And so we got this sucker out. We're like, you know what? We'll just run this. Let's run that thing. You remember what I did on these for this roof rack?
No, I don't remember that.
Okay, so this roof rack, when we bought the car, there was no roof rack. All we had was the uprights. Not the uprights, or the rails.
Yeah, right.
And I'm like, dude, these things are expensive. So I went to the junkyard, and I got the crossbars off of a Ford Expedition.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And I cut them down. So I took and deconstructed this and cut them down, and then I cut down the sliders that go in these little things here. And we got crossbars, BMW crossbars, for a fraction of the cost of what actual BMW ones were. Kind of proud of that little hack.
Yeah, I love that.
Go ahead and get this top.
Yeah.
At this point, you also might explain the other graphics, right? The TredWear to SEMA Rally.
Yeah, okay. So that was 2014.
It even says it right there.
Yep.
So number 2, this was our second build in 2014.
Yep.
So in 2014, we drove this thing all the way 2,000 miles to Las Vegas for the SEMA show. And we parked it in a prominent place, and we were so proud of it.
Yeah, we were. We absolutely were. That was the year that that was actually our second year to attend the SEMA show.
Before that, we drove the minivan.
Yeah, the Honda Odyssey minivan with the stuttering transmission.
Yes.
Yeah, we in that one we had set up a bed in the back, and we would take turns driving. Man, we made really good time that year, didn't we?
Yes, because we decided last minute to do it.
Yeah, last minute.
We weren't even going to go.
Off we went. Oh. Yeah, this year, in 2014, we stayed at the Luxor.
Yeah, let's go look at Luxor.
Luxor.
The Honda minivan year, we stayed in the brand new
Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah, we were pimping.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that stay. But, you know, we don't like spending tremendous money on hotels because you're hardly ever there.
Dude, you're hardly there, and you're just like setting fire to the money. I mean, talk about something to consume.
Yeah, we'd rather spend the money on cars.
Yeah. Every dollar we spend on not cars is money we can't spend on cars.
Yep.
So, we have a pretty strict only spend money on cars policy.
Oh, I forgot to put the silt basket down in the bottom. So I probably shouldn't do that.
No,
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
this is the only part on this car where the paint's not great. is the top of this bumper.
Yeah.
It's a little crazy.
Hey, I bet some of our viewers could tell us a good fix on that. Other than a respray. What do you think? Maybe somebody's got a hack on that. They're like, oh, if you'll just do this, it'll make your life so much better.
We could probably wet sand it. Good old Cody.
Good old Cody.
It's a lot better than washing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we've got some neat little desert shots.
Oh yeah.
On our way back home.
Oh, crap. Dude, I told you to baby it.
I was babying it. It doesn't get much babier than this. It just fell out. Yeah, I witnessed the whole thing. Whoa! Piece of crap.
You know, we've got the picture of the car in front of the sign out there too.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, and we've got pictures of it before we did all the graphics when you went out there to the quarry in Silicaga.
That's right. I'd love to show all that.
Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, watch yourself. Oh, that was not nearly as dramatic as what I thought it was going to be. Very anticlimactic, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, next time I'll give you something, you know, to really exclaim about.
I wasn't in the way. I mean, I wasn't wanting to get a bath regardless.
Ooh, look at those in parallels.
As hard as you try, you always miss a spot on those.
Yeah.
But that'll have to do for now.
Yep. By the way, your mom looked a lot better.
Dude, thank you, because I was like, man, does he not love me anymore? Why didn't he say my mom would look better cleaned up?
Well, look, I'm really actually concerned that your mom may watch these videos, and that would be bad.
Actually, Debbie has been very good about watching them.
That's
so, yes.
what I was afraid of.
So she might be giving you a phone call.
Not cool.
What's this I hear about you talking about me on the videos, Lee?
Yeah, that's enough of that. Man, that windshield looks so much better.
Yeah.
It'd definitely be hard to step backwards on that.
So look where we missed the spot here. Oh, I missed the whole big spot. Dude, let me down here.
Yeah, this whole side needs it.
Where I wanna be. Turn around. Man, it lives inside of me.
All right, stop it.
Take me down and love me all night long.
Blah, 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 blah. There's all sorts of reasons not to do this.
Man, the internet is going to be really impressed with how detailed we get with these wheels. I bet you detail guys are jealous of my technique. Look at that, how I'm getting every spoke. Just like a sweet love to each spoke.
Hey, I thought we said we weren't going to do that.
Take it. I mean, I think I'm doing a good job. That's why I'm saying it.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, you know, the problem with this whole thing, you understand, is that first of all, you're using the same rag that you're using the body.
I think I wiped my butt with this rag earlier, so.
Man, you should have told me that before I started using that thing. That's gross.
Oh, yeah, you're never supposed to use the same rag on the wheels
as you do the body.
You do the body.
Or at the very least, what you're supposed to do is use it on the body first, then the wheels.
That's rag racism, and I'm against that. I'm for all rags. All rags should be created equally. Yes.
His views in no way reflect the views of TredWear.
So, dude, I think this thing was like $1 million.
Yeah, it does.
Check this out.
I mean, certainly more than, was it 1,500?
Yeah, did Cody offer it?
Yeah. Yeah, man, she looks good.
Are you ready for the gratuitous drive-away scene?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Where should I put it?
Ooh. All right, so we got her all cleaned up. She's looking good, so much better than what she was. And of course, we'll be still doing some other things to her. We're going to fix some window rollers and things like that, and those will be coming up. So more to watch. We toyed around with all sorts of ideas with this thing, from turboing it to LSing it to wide bodying it, and we might do a combination of a couple of those. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.